Your question is, consider the following statements. Assertion A. There is no fixed party system in India. Reason R. There are too many political parties. Select the correct answer from code given below. Code. Your options are A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true and but R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. Or D. A is false but R is true. Right answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Your question is, the party system is the part of which larger system among the following? Your options are A. Social system, B. Economic system, C. Political system, or D. International system. Right answer is C. Political system. The question is, what was the date when the anti-defection bill was passed? Your options are A. 17 February 1985, B. 15 February 1985, C. 30 March 1985, or D. 21 April 1985. Right answer is B. 15 February 1985. Your question is, which one of the following is not covered by the anti-defection law? Your options are A. En bloc defections in a party, B. Large defections in a party in various spell, C. Smaller defection in a single spell, or D. Party members in parliament casting vote either to topple or support a government. Right answer is B. Larger defections in a party in various spell. Your question is, the political parties got the constitutional recognition for the first time in the year. Your options are A. 1975, B. 1977, C. 1985, or D. 1995. Right answer is C. 1985. Your question is, which of the following is not true about the anti-defection bill? Your options are A. An MP or an MLA will be disqualified if he has voluntarily given up the membership of the party to which he belonged. B. In the event of a member's absence from voting in the House on a particular issue, an MP or MLA will be disqualified. C. A member shall not be disqualified if there is a merger of political parties. Or D. As the Speaker of the Lok Sabha will not be disqualified if he becomes a member of another political party later on. Right answer is D. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha will not be disqualified if he becomes a member of another political party later on. Your question is, the anti-defection law was enacted as early as 1979 in. Your options are A. Kerala, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. West Bengal, or D. Tamil Nadu. Right answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. Your question is, a member of a state legislature or parliament is considered an exception of disqualification on the ground of defection in India in which of the following condition? Your options are A. If he voluntarily gives up the membership of his original political party on being elected as chairman or vice chairman of any house of state legislature or of parliament. B. If he rejoins the political party after he ceases to hold such office. C. In both of these, or D. In none of these. Right answer is C. In both of these. If he voluntarily gives up the membership of his original political party on being elected as chairman or vice chairman of any house of state legislature or of parliament, and if he rejoins the political party after he ceases to hold such office. Your question is, the merger of a political party with another political party in India is recognized in which of the following conditions? Your options are A. When not less than one-third members of the legislature party have agreed to such merger. B. When not less than half members of the legislature party have agreed to such merger. C. When not less than two-third members of the legislature party have agreed to such merger. Or D. When not less than three-fourths members of the legislature party have agreed to such merger. Right answer is C. When not less than two-thirds members of the legislature party have agreed to such merger.